everyone, this is Amelia from ORIEMAC. Today I'm at the HELI factory in Kunshan, and I will introduce you to the HELI G2 series CPD30, a lithium-powered forklift. Let's go! Here behind us is the HELI G2 series CPD30, a 3-ton lithium battery-powered forklift. It's eco-friendly, efficient, and perfect for indoor use. With a rated capacity of 3 tons, it offers 3 meters lifting height, and we can also customize the mast height from 3 meters to 6 meters. We can also choose 2-stage and 3-stage for free mast. The fork length is 1070 millimeters, and we also recommend to choose the side shift for the fork to move left to right, more convenient. It also comes with solid tires perfect for indoor use, but pneumatic tires are also available for outdoor use. The overhead guard features a robust stumping structure for enhanced safety and stability. It's equipped with a wide view mast to improve the driver's visibility. For added comfort, you can opt for a closed cabin and air conditioner. The HELI G2 series CPD30 is known for its low energy consumption, zero emissions, and minimal maintenance. If you have any questions or want to know more about the details, feel free to contact me anytime. Thanks for watching, and bye!